CorelDRAW allows you to change the colour of any vector graphic that you have loaded into it. This is used by illustrators to create professional-looking graphics. Colours can also be used by our laser cutter to read instructions on how to engrave or cut your design. By using black and white, you're able to tell the laser which parts of your design you wish to engrave and which bits you do not wish to engrave. This can be the outline or the fill of an object, and is picked up by the laser regardless of the outline thickness. Cutting, on the other hand, works a little differently. The laser is able to read red and blue outlines as cutting instructions. The line width must be set to hairline, otherwise the laser will read it as black. The laser will follow these instructions in a set order. It will first engrave everything that is black. It will then cut out everything that is red, and then cut out everything that is blue. The reason it does this is as certain bits get cut out, the material may move, and it may cause a negative impact to your design and the final product. So, just to reiterate, red and blue hairline outlines will cut out. All other outline thicknesses will be read as engrave regardless of their colour. So make sure that you set your line thickness for anything you want to cut to hairline. So how do we actually change the colour of things? You start by selecting an object with your pick tool. Then, if you left click on a colour in the palette, it will change the fill colour to that colour. Right clicking on a colour will change the outline colour of the selected object. There is an option at the very top of the palette to remove colour. You can left or right click this to remove the fill or the outline. This, however, is different to making it white. So let's take a look at some completed designs. With this design here, you'll notice it's made up of different black and white circles. White has been used to cover up certain black parts of the design. This means that the laser will not engrave on those spots. The overall outline is blue, meaning it will cut last, and the smaller circle at the top is red, meaning it will cut out first. The laser is, however, able to cut out more than just circles and can follow some pretty complex paths. Now have a go at changing the colours of objects yourself.